folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Well, the season is changing quickly here in Ontario, Canada. It's getting cool, it's fall time, and that brings back memories of some home-cooked meals. One of my favorite was coming home from school, and my mom used to make turkey a la king. Love that meal, and it is coming up to Thanksgiving, and if you have leftover turkey, this is a simple and delicious recipe you're gonna love. Let's get to it. So I'm using a large non-stick pan. In my pan I have a half a cup of melted butter, and to that we're gonna add 8 cremini mushrooms all diced up, which is about 6 ounces, and a half a cup of onions. My objective here is to just soften them up before we add any other ingredients. The mushrooms and onions have been in for about 4 minutes. Next, I'm going to add 1 finely diced clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's optional. We'll stir that around. We'll give that about a minute. That garlic will burn quickly, so that's why I say just about a minute. Next, we'll be adding our flour. This is also known as making a roux, the beginning of any nice sauce, gravy, thickening up some sort of a liquid. Just making a roux. We'll mix that in there well. And the next step will be adding our liquid. That flour is what makes our sauce nice and thick. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of chicken stock. And you add this a little bit at a time. Helps you eliminate any clumps. Now I'll switch to a whisk, and we'll add our whipping cream. It's a heavy cream. You can use milk if you like, or half and half. Look how nice and creamy it is. And next, I've got a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, my 3 cups of diced up turkey, just chopped up to the size you like, and 1 cup of frozen peas, 4 tablespoons of pimentos. That's just red peppers. You can get them in a jar already all diced up. They're not hot or spicy, and they give it some nice color. They're the little red things you see stuffed in a green olive. Now, once this is heated thoroughly, the peas are hot, this is going to be ready to go. You can adjust any salt and pepper at the end, or let the individual choose their own salt and pepper level. And my last item is just 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Again, give it some nice color. Doesn't that look delicious? We'll let that simmer on low for 15 minutes and then we'll serve it up. Well, folks, that was another simple and delicious recipe. I'd like to wish my friends and family here in Canada and the United States a wonderful Thanksgiving. How lucky we are. And I hope you get to enjoy some quality time with your friends and family and get together and do some of these recipes and sit down and enjoy a meal together. Well, now I get to try the goods. I've put mine on a toasted English muffin. You can put it on toast or a biscuit. It's really good on egg noodles. It's your choice. Well, now I'm going to give it a whirl. Oh, wow. Just like Mom made. Brings back memories. Well, folks, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Living life